Ngizamile unyamezela undophula inhliziyo Nengethemba uzatshintsha siqhubeke nempilo Wathi khondinethi wani ngoba umthetho wami umtholo ngisuke ngigcwala indlela So bye-bye Ngizamile unyamezela undophula inhliziyo Nengethemba uzatshintsha siqhubeke nempilo Wathi khondinethi wani ngoba umthetho wami umtholo ngisuke ngigcwala indlela So bye-bye I don't know how to say this but kumele ngithini Ngoba kudala nyamezela into eyonela inhliziyo Namanokwenza ngakumbi iphephi ngiqhubeka nempilo Ulale enhlalo mdlisayo kuncono sana libaleka Ndizamile kodwa khange tuwoneliseke I deserve happiness kunokubamba ngicuteka Bangazama uthetha nawe babe awuliveli intweni Bangazama ukunika uthando nala ulibonela intweni Maybe khona lumbonile uthengwa enhliziyweni Kungcono ujongane naye mhlawumbe umoyeni konwabisayo Since now I say I'm living zama uzenzo khathala ngicela ungangibambi Ngoba ke baninzi abadingayo in fact badinga uthando eliwena udlale ngalo I'm living with these memories indlela bekungalingayo I'm not turning my back noma ke ungalili uziphathe kakuhle ndokana nsika ndiyakushiya
X-Touch Records.
Ngizamile unyamezela undophula inhliziyo Nengethemba uzatshintsha siqhubeke nempilo Wathi khondinethi wani ngoba umthetho wami umtholo ngisuke ngigcwala indlela So bye-bye Ngizamile unyamezela undophula inhliziyo Nengethemba uzatshintsha siqhubeke nempilo Wathi khondinethi wani ngoba umthetho wami umtholo ngisuke ngigcwala indlela So bye-bye Mandikhumbuze mhlawumbe njengendlela enemibuso How many times I say I love you wena ungenazipendulo How many times I say I miss you wena ungenazikhumbulo How many times ndikulilela mawudophula uphefumula Who gave you love and support mawuphoxeke endaweni Who gave you love and caring mawujikelwe efemini Who was encouraging you mawubuyela esikolweni Namhlanje ufunda unemali awulibonela intweni And you hardly have my time ngabangani occupied Every time umankhalaza awuhoyi uzala ipride I think I have to move on Before I commit suicide Cause you were never there when I needed you on my side I don't regret that Ngoba bengiqhutywa luthando At least nami unegalelo endidlalile ebomini bakho I will remember you And I will keep you in my heart Ndinethemba uzospeak up when you're falling apart Ngizamile unyamezela undophula inhliziyo Nengethemba uzatshintsha siqhubeke nempilo Wathi khondinethi wani ngoba